Okay. Over trading is 1 billion%, and underestimate today. Today was so bad. There were so many times I was up, then I was down, then I was up, then I was down, and it's bad. And I know why. It's because I took Adderall when I know I shouldn't have, and this trading today just caused me to throw them all out, and I will never touch that stuff again because I can't control myself, and I'm not going to go through this again. So first short we took was here. We had a 5 minute BISI right here created that broke through, and then as we were pushing up, I hesitated. I didn't get right in, even though I saw this 1 minute market structure shift. I should have put my limit order in this 1 minute SIBI. I didn't. I waited for it, came in here, and then I took shorts. And again, this was a 9:35, so this was too early. I shouldn't have taken shorts. We took this liquidity and this liquidity, and then I got out once it started pushing back up. So that was a win, right? We got a small win. Then we had this buy side liquidity. Um, I came in here. I think I was seeing the 5 minute maybe rejecting. I don't even know why I got in here. Maybe I was seeing this rejecting and I thought, okay, we go back down. But instantly I closed out. It might have been a tiny, tiny, tiny loss. And then instantly switched my bias to go long. So I went long in here. Once this pushed down into this little 1 minute BISI, targeted these highs, took that, and then I wanted to leave a runner for these highs, but as soon as started pulling up, I exited. So we're up now. We're up for the day, right? Probably should be done. We're already over trading. It's 10 o'clock. I already took 1, 2, 3 trades. I should have been done right here, but I wasn't. What happened next? We broke down. 1 minute market structure shift, displacement down. We took this sell side liquidity. We pushed back in. We took nice shorts in this SIBI, which was good, right? My stop loss was kind of tight. We came in here and I exited early. Why? I have no idea. I was just over trading at this point, and with Adderall in my system, I'm looking at every tiny little thing. I'm not letting the trades play out, and I exited for no reason, right? There was really no reason for me to exit this trade. Um, no reason. And then what did I do? I saw this. Oh, look, it's being supported. There's really no market structure shift or anything on the 5 minute. But what do? I take longs. I take longs here. I get stopped out here. It's 10:24 now. Now okay. Now I'm not taking any trades. We see this consolidation happening. Pushed up. Market structure shift, displacements, everything. We're like, okay, this is going to be our drawn liquidity and possibly these highs that I was talking about before. So as we push down in here, I took a buy from here, but instead of putting my stop here, I put it on the 15 second, which was just way too tight. We got stopped out, and then it ran, and you see we would have taken this, and well, it wouldn't have made it to here, but we would have ended up exiting around here after we saw that it took and failed to continue up. Then what happened? Then we pushed up. Now I'm like, oh, I missed it. I missed the trade. Let me get back in here longs. Now we're aiming for this buy side right here. Take longs here. We reject this 5 minute. We had or this 1 minute. We had a 1 minute market structure shift to the downside, and then I get stopped out. Right, I get stopped out right here. Then I'm like, oh, let me take longs again. This is at lunch now. This is lunch macro. I don't know why I'm taking these trades. Take longs again. No reason to again, and I get stopped out. What do? Now I'm chasing. Now I take shorts, and I close out right there just because I saw it was going down, and now I'm like at break even, or maybe I'm up a couple dollars. I don't know. It was just bad. Now at this point, I'm just looking for money, and that's it. I'm in this consolidation. Take a long. For what reason? I have no idea, and get stopped out. Then we take a short. Again, no reason why. We saw this 1 minute. We're hyper focused on the 1 minute now. Take a short here, push down so that we have this inverse that's still working for some reason, and then I get out maybe for a tiny tiny profit. And then we push up at market structure shift. I see this. I'm like, oh, let me take a long. Push up, X out, tiny tiny profit. which I'm glad I did because this was really weird. 101, we had it was bonds and then it completely fell. So at this point, I'm down 200 something dollars. I remember this and I see it crashing and I'm like, I'm just going to chase this. So I ended up chasing this. I ended up chasing this on this 15-second retracement. I took 5 here. Now I'm oversizing again. Another 5 right here. And then I closed out right there. So where did we close out? Close out right there was about 20 points at 10. So that was around like $400. Now at this point, I'm like up $200. I should have been done. I should have been in and out and done. But no, I'm not. I'm not. Why? I don't know, man. We push back in. Now I'm thinking, okay, we still, shorts are still valid. Short all the way over here. Close out here. Take longs here. Take longs here. Take longs here. Exit here. Take longs, get stopped. Take shorts. Exit here instead of letting it run to TP. This would have hit TP. And this would have been 60 points. And this was with 16 contracts. 16 contracts at 60 points. That's insane. Sixteen times. Would have been up $3,800 right here if I held this, but I didn't. And then what happens? Oh, it ran. It's coming here. Let me run to this. I chase it, get it. That's it. I should have been done. I'm in profit. I'm in profit a lot because now I'm taking 5. I'm in profit. Now what happens? Now I'm thinking it's going to reverse, and now I'm at the gym trading off my phone. Smart, right? So at first I had my stop loss like all the way over here. I seen that it was pushing up. I was like, okay, we gotta go up now because we just took all sell side. Push down to here. I'm like, I'm gonna add in because if at least my my break even will be like in the middle somewhere, and then we could even just take it off right here, get stopped out for like a $600 loss, and then what happens? I take another long, or I take a short here, get scared out now because I'm down so much, and I close out right here where we could have aimed for right there, another 20 points, another 40 points. It was this whole day was just a mess. It was over trading like crazy. 20 trades. Look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous. 935, 954, 58, 1017, 20, 1133, 56, 1205, 1215, 1225, 34. This was just, look at this loss. There was no reason for this. Absolutely no reason besides the fact that I took Adderall and I just couldn't control myself. And it's sad. It's pathetic. And I'm done with it. I just flushed everything down the toilet and I'm done. I'm truly, I'm over it. So we're going to reset today, tomorrow. We're down in the account now. We're going to be a lot more patient, disciplined. Take my wins. I need to really, really focus on timing. Trade 940 to like 11:30, and that's it. After 11:30, this window is all I should be trading. But I didn't, right? Unfortunate.